In the currency quadrant, taking a look at the June Canadian dollar, which finished its second consecutive session higher. It's funny, it actually came off post FOMC announcement, but then as the press conference went on, the Canadian dollar gained strength again, finishing closer to the highs, up a little bit more than 0.5%. But on the highs, it was just short of 0.75% at 78.82.5. On the lows, we were actually a blip and a half higher than yesterday's settlement. 78.26 was the low. Yesterday's settlement, 78.24.5. So again, Canada had its second consecutive session higher and has now finished higher in 4 of the last 5 sessions. A lot of the strength coming this morning from the inflation figures. Canadian February inflation figures beat expectations. The headline came out year over year up 5.7% versus a forecast of up 5.5 and a last of up 5.1. The core year over year 4.8% versus a forecast of 4.5% and a last of 4.3. And then you look at the month over month figures, up 0.1% versus a forecast of up 0.9 and a last of up 0.9. So stronger inflation figures despite already having one 25 basis point rate hike under its belt for the Bank of Canada. It's going to go into its next meeting with a little bit stronger inflation figures. And of course, dollar weakness, the dollar heads for its third down session against the majors. Today it was down 0.8% against the euro, 0.84%, so a little bit more than 0.8% against the British pound. Stronger against the yen, but that was really it when you look at what happened with the Bank of Canada as well. With the Canadian dollar as well. The dollar overall was weaker on the day.